Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a review of a Ludo Web3 mini app. This is a Telegram mini app where you can play the Ludo game, earn coins, and use a referral system. In this video, we will take a look at how the app interface works, what features it has, and what options are available in the admin panel. App interface. First, let's talk about the app interface. When you open the mini app, you will see a Ludo game dashboard where your user profile and coin balance are displayed at the top. Below that, you will find several main options: tasks, play with AI, referral, withdraw coins, settings, leaderboard. The interface is very simple and mobile-friendly. If you want to build a similar Web3 mini app or any Telegram mini game, you can contact us. The contact link is available in the description, and if you want to buy the complete source code of this app, you can contact us or purchase it directly from our website. Gameplay. The gameplay is exactly like the classic Ludo game. The user rolls the dice and moves their tokens across the board. This app includes a Play with AI option where you can play the game against the computer. At the moment, the Play Online feature is not available, but developers can easily add multiplayer online mode in future updates. This mini app also includes a coin earning system. Players can earn coins by playing the game, and these coins can be used for withdrawals or future rewards. Developers can also easily change the coin rate and reward system. Admin panel. This project also includes an admin panel where developers can manage the application. From the admin panel, you can manage users, send notifications, control wallet and payments,